Hello, today in front of me I have TCL TAB 10, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. In here, scroll and look for the apps category. At the apps, you want to go for the default app section, browser app, and here simply tap on Opera, therefore making it the default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the application itself, so let's go ahead and open it. Here, locate the avatar picture that is located right here, tap on it, then go for the settings, and at the settings page, scroll down and tap on the default browser section. Click on next and select Opera. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.